Today's topics is types of business policy. We will categorize the business policy into three sections. The first is on the basis of sources of policies, the second is on the basis of function, and the third is on the basis of levels. On the basis of sources of policies include the four categories. First is originated policies, second is imposed policies, third is applied policy, and the fourth and last is implied policies. First, we will understand what is originated policies. Here, originated policies are those policies formulated by the managers in the organization for their subordinates' actions. What the meaning? What it's want to say? It means the policies which are made by the managers of the organization. That means within the organization it made, and it is made to just understand the subordinates actions, what subordinates wants from the managers, from its organization, from the legal and the rules and requirements. So whatever the policies based on the subordinates is orated from the organization by made by the top managers or management. It flows from higher levels because it is set and defined by the top management. Sometimes decisions taken by the lower level, but what type of decision is taken by the higher level is also depends, it is to most important and based on some important things like financial decision, amalgamation, plant plant formulation. Whatever a big decision which is taken by the management, it comes under the top level of management. So the management or the policies which are formulated by the manager within the organization, it is called originated policies. Second is applied policies. It is arises when the appeal made by the subordinate. Sometimes subordinate wants to understand the cases which are unsolved. Any problem arises in the organization which may be not easy to solve by the subordinates. They want some other policies, they want some different policies which may be uh, understand by the subordinates. They want to understand, they want help from the management and ask for the different policies. These policies are applied policies. Once again, these policies are applied policies because it is made by or it is formulated after the appeal of the subordinates in the organization, and this is based on some important cases which has not been covered by earlier policies, some problem which has not been solved by the other policies or previous policies. Then applied policies are most incomplete, uncoordinated and confused because sometimes it can't be understandable by the others. And the next is implied policies. Sometimes policies are not clearly stated. Sometimes some policies which are not clearly stated, that means it arises as the requirement arises, as like we can say that the actions of manager particularly at higher provide guidelines for actions at the lower levels. Sometimes the organization has clearly expressed its policies just for make an image, but it is unable to enforce these. Sometimes organization establish number of policies just to create an goodwill, just to make an image. But what is happened? It occurs that the policies are unacceptable, are unable to enforce these, and these organization fails to enforce these policies. Now the second last topic of the basis of sources of policies is imposed policies. This type of policies arises from the influence of some outsider force like government, trade unions and trade associations. What it means? It means sometimes the government some takes actions against the organization or maybe in favor of the organization and ask the organization to make different policies. There may be a reserve quota for the unemployed peoples, for the middle level or lower level peoples, and as for the made some policies which may be helpful for the lower level management. And the next is on the basis of functions. Functions, what the meaning of function is? Function means anything, any operation which is done within the organization, done by the management. Functional policies refer to the policies which are prepared for various financial areas for management. Functional policies refer to the policies which are prepared for various functional areas for management. Within the organization, there are different operations are occurred, different functions are performed. To formulate the policies according to the functions is known as the policies based on the functions. And what the functions performed in the organization? The functions performed in the organization is financial functions, production functions, marketing functions. All these are functions of the business organization, and the policies related to all these functions are known as a functional policies. The third basis of organizational levels. So some policies are based on the levels of the organization. We can say that there is top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. Different level management have different policies. Top management policies, these policies are led down by the top level management. The top level of obviously the top level management will perform or major roles in an organization. They take major decisions. So the policies related at higher level of management will be made by the top level of management. These policies are led down by the top level management. Like all these decisions, which are truly a big decisions which are taken by the top level management, such as policies related to setting up a new plant, modernization of plant, amalgamation, absorption, and manager policies, budget policy, etc. Because all these policies require careful analysis of within and outside the organizational environment. There are many different decisions that is taken by the top level management, and the top level management takes different decisions on the basis of their policies made by them. So major decisions are only taken by the top level management because it required knowledge, skills, concepts, and a very careful analysis of within and outside the organizational environment. And the second topic of on the basis of organizational level is middle management policies. Generally, these are set up by the head or chief of the specific department for which the policies is going to be let down. The middle level management policies are adopted by the chief head of the middle level management. It can be said the persons who set up these policies are specialists of their own field, and these policies are made up by those persons